Big thanks to Mudgy Meat for supplying the product used in today's video. Today we're taking pork cutlets to a whole new level. Juicy bone-in pork, seasoned and coated in golden panko with fresh thyme, rosemary and parsley straight from the garden. Shallow fried till they're crispy perfection. Then wait for it, we're draping them in a silky mushroom sauce, loaded with shiitakes, a splash of stock, fresh cream, and some secret extras we'll reveal later in the video. This one's crunchy, creamy and dreamy, and absolutely next level comfort food. Let's dive in. What's going on, Yazzo and peeps? Hello.
End of the workday, Jeffrey.
I hope you're all well. It is the end of a workday. We're making dinner. The kids are hungry. Goodness me. Thankfully, we've got some epic pork cutlets from our good friends at Mudgy Meat. Thank you very much, team. 30% off this week. Get on board. Get yours. Discount code at the end of the video. Sign up for Meat on Repeat, free delivery, 5% off your first order. Goodness me, the value is extraordinary. Let's get on with it, Yazzo, shall we?
Let's.
All right, pork cutlets. Look at these, Yazzo. Bloody delicious. What we want to start, these are bone-in pork cutlets. Now, you can use boneless, would probably be a little bit easier, to be honest with you. But
not as sexy.
But not as, I was just about to say, but maybe not as delicious. Leg steak would work, or any of those kinds of things. So, what we need to do, you can see these have got the rind on. Now, I do love a little bit of fat, but we don't want all this much, and we don't want the rind. So I'm just going to trim that out.
It's not like you, Jeff.
Oh, well, you know, we've got to be a little bit health conscious.
You're gonna save it for later, put it under your pillow. See, I'm funny today.
Put it under my pillow? What the hell?
Little midnight gnaw.
We'll just do one more. Again, I like to leave a little bit. That's just me, but you can just go ahead and trim off most of that fat. I have a Ziploc bag here, and I'm going to take the pork cutlet and just put it inside the Ziploc, just like that, so that it doesn't tear and go crazy all over the place. We just want to take our mallet and pound it out a little bit thinner. Now, these ones do have a little T-bone just here, so I just need to avoid that. Again, obviously, if you've got boneless, you won't need to avoid that. Now, we don't want to bash the crap out of it like it owes us money. Just you know, a little
cheeky, out a little
cheeky tap-tappy, Yazzo.
Pretend it's Jeff's head.
Flip. There we go, number one. So you can see I've made a slightly bigger, and it's not paper thin, but it's pounded out a little bit more than what we had before. So I'll just knock out the rest of these. All right, that's that part done. Now, we're going for a standard breading station, essentially, but before we do that, I like to season the protein first rather than put it into the crumbs. Now I know that it's been seasoned correctly and accurately, essentially. So, going to go down with a little bit of fennel in our mortar and pestle. And we'll give that a bit of a grind up. Because pork and fennel are best mates, Yazzo. And just go with a light dusting over the pork. Not too much with this stuff. We don't want to overpower it. Both sides. And then just standard salt, pepper, garlic powder. All right, standard breading station, except we're going to herb the crumbs. So I've got some rosemary, thyme, and parsley from the garden. How much depends upon how many you're making. So you need obviously more crumbs if you're making more schnitzels for more people, etc., etc. Same goes for the flour and the egg. Into the crumbs with that, and we'll mix that through. Just a top tip with the egg, you can make it go a little bit further by adding a splash of milk as well. That works beautifully. And just give that a little rub around to infuse the scent of the herbs onto the crumb. Why are you zooming in on me? I feel like I've got to go back. It's freaking me out. Just give it a little rub like that, and it just gets everything perfumed. Beautiful. All right, so you guys have all done this before, I'm assuming, but for those who haven't, into the flour with the cutlets. Make sure they're floured nicely. Make sure you make a massive mess on the bench to make Yazzo very happy. And then into the egg.
Yazzo doesn't give a shit because Jeff's cleaning up.
And then into the crumb.
The infused crumb.
The infused crumb.
You're not a psychopath.
What do you mean? What does that mean? I like to give it a little bash too. I said before, like it owes you something. Like maybe I do like to just hit it like it owes me something. There we go. Take out the stresses of the day, people. All right, that's one. Look how beautiful that looks, Yazzo.
It does look gorgeous.
Except I've folded that one over. There we go.
Love the green through it.
All right, so we'll just knock these out. I won't bore you on camera. Sauce time. Okay, heat on. We'll go down with a little olive oil. So in with some mushrooms. I've got shiitakes here, but you can use buttons or Swiss browns or creminis or whatever you've got. So we'll go in with those. And we've got those on a medium-high heat, and you want to cook those down until the moisture comes out of them, and then the moisture starts to dry up, and then essentially you're frying at that point. All right, so you can see these have cooked down a little bit here now. I'm just going to make a little cheeky section, Yazzo. A little bit more olive oil there, and go in with some garlic. I've got a couple of large cloves here. In with some cracked black pepper. Now I'm not going to go in with any salt just yet because we're about to add some stock. So we'll test for salt seasoning later. All right, we're going in with a couple of cups of stock and we want to reduce that down by half. As well, I've got a tablespoon and a half-ish of tarragon, and that has that lovely aniseed perfume that goes beautifully with pork. And you've seen me use this before. We're going to go in with a level-ish teaspoon of miso paste, and that's going to add a little bit of funk and that umami depth. Just while I clean up my sloppy messes. Again, we want to reduce this down by half now, so we've got somewhere around a cup left of stock. Then we're going to go in with some cream. All right, while our mushroom sauce is, I was going to say defrosting. Defrosting is
You have lost
the most inappropriate,
Mark, you need to go to bed and start again.
incorrect word. While our mushroom sauce is reducing, we're going to get on with the pork. So heat on, and I'm going to go down with some vegetable oil, and we're going to shallow fry here, so we want a decent amount, because we want it to kind of be coming up the sides, Yazzo. It doesn't get hot enough, blah, blah, blah.
Well, you know, whatever.
This is the shit that I got to deal with in
I know,
this
but
house.
I fry in extra virgin olive oil because that's
Goodness
just...
me, look at the meal you're
Right.
about to eat.
I know.
Let me just check this,
I
by
told
the way.
everyone
No,
that it
not
was
quite.
burning.
What do you mean it's burning?
It looked like it.
It's not burning, but we are nearly there. So let's get these on, and then we'll come back to that. So we're going to go with a couple of cutlets at a time here, Yazzo. Facing away from you into the pan.
Probably one, Jeffo.
Oh, goodness me, that did take up a lot of room.
Yes. There she is.
Oh, there we go. That's all right. Yeah, 2 at a time. We're squishing them in, people. I'm breaking my own rules here. So you want medium-high heat. You don't want the crumbs to brown before you've cooked the porkus through. So just watch your heat carefully, people. Carefully. Isn't that right, Yazzo?
And you said porkus.
Porkus? Did I say porkus?
Yes.
Stop laughing at me.
Oh, that's vile, you pig.
It's very violent. Well, I'm used to being violent because my daughter tries to beat me up with her new karate skills a lot.
You got to look at the sides. Oh dear.
What do you mean, oh dear? It's bloody fine. Look at that. It's not even done yet. All right, give this a little turn. Oh, look at that, Yazzo. Glorious.
Because I told you to turn it.
Oh, Yazzo taking credit for everything. Beautiful. Let's get these out, shall we? Delicious. These are done. Look at that, Yazzo. Beautiful. All right, we're reduced enough now, so I'm going to go in with 300 mils of cream. Again, all the ingredients and the amounts will be in the description below, because often, look, to be honest, doing this, it's not an exact science when you don't measure normally, and I adjust everything in the description, so always check the description. In with our cream. Look at that, Yazzo.
Yum.
Delicious. And we'll just stir that through. And we just want to bring that up to a simmer. And we're just going to go over with a hard white cheese, so Parmesan, Parma Reg, Grana Padano, whatever you've got. I'm just going to turn that heat down a touch. I don't want it quite that hot. And we'll just shave some over the top, just for a little background flavour, not too much. And we'll just stir that in and we're pretty much done. Really what you want is just to make sure that the sauce is nice and like that pourable consistency, whatever seems right to you. I like it to be, you know, kind of thickish, but you don't want it stodgy. Oh, are you filming?
Yeah.
Oh, dude, come on.
This is a good one, G.
Oh,
All right.
oh.
Dangle your business in the communal sauce.
What do you mean my business is a chip? I'm not, anyway. All right, it turned out, my gosh, so good. I'm gonna pour a little bit of sauce on here, Yazzo. Oh, look at that. Goodness me. Are you requesting? Annabella's requesting the first bite. All right, Moose, come on. Come on.
We're back, y'all.
Oh my God. Here you go. Do you want a little,
Okay,
do you want a little squeeze of lemon? Let's do a little squeeze of lemon over the top. Oh, look at that. All right, ready? Is it hot?
That's good.
I'm aware it's good. Let's go for a dunk. Oh, perfectly cooked as well. Look at that. Look at that. Come on.
No, look at this. Don't look at that.
Can I have a crunch?
Oh, stop.
Oh, wow. Don't do that, man. Oh my God. Dunk your chips in it, people. Goodness, man. We should probably do some greens or some salad or something.
Yeah.
Put some vegetables on the plate. Don't be complete carnivores and make it junk food like we have, but this is absolutely delicious. Please give it a go.
Please give it a go.
Like, comment, and subscribe.
Hey, that's my part.
Oh, all right, there you go.
Okay, guys, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and share this video with somebody you know. I don't know. It's your choice.
And where should they get
their meat from Mudgy Meat? Wait, hey, that rhymed. Get
How
their
much?
meat from Mudgy Meat.
How much % do they get off this week?
I don't know.
Well, you weren't paying attention. 30% off this week, as we said in the start of the video. Discount code is on the screen right now. Get on board. You certainly won't be disappointed with this one. We'll see you on the next. Beautiful, let's eat.